In today's lesson, you'll learn 30 different ways to say I love you in English. These expressions can help you sound more natural and expressive. Let's begin. I adore you. I care about you. I'm fond of you. I'm attached to you. I'm devoted to you. You mean so much to me. You mean the world to me. You make me happy. I'm lucky to have you. You make my life better. You complete me. You are my everything. I cherish you. I treasure you. I'm grateful for you. You have my heart. My heart is yours. I'm yours. I'm happiest with you. I love being with you. I'm crazy about you. I have feelings for you. I'm deeply in love with you. I feel close to you. You're special to me. You are dear to me. You brighten my day. I can't imagine my life without you. You make every day better. You'll always have a special place in my heart. Which expression did you like the most? Write your favorite phrase in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Level Up Academy for more English vocabulary, speaking, grammar, and writing lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.